Greetings of the day, dear students. Today we can learn error and correction. See here, I given nearly 7 examples for this error and correction. The first one is, I saw a boy. A boy was eating an apple. I saw a boy. I'm telling about a particular boy. So when the thing is particular, this is a common noun. When the thing is particular, on that time we are using the article definite. Here A is indefinite article. So we have to use instead of A, the. The is the correct one. The boy was eating an apple. So the second one is, the poet and a writer were writing. By seeing the sentence, we are thinking about that maybe the poet is different from the writer. No. In this, particularly in this sentence, the poet and a writer, these two are in one person. The poet is also a writer. So, the person is in the singular. So, singular form of the person. So, we are using here was instead of a were. Third example, the poet and the writer was writing. So here the poet because these two are definite, but the poet, the writer, here two are different. So we have to use instead of was, were. Above sentence, in the above sentence, one person, here two persons are there, so we have to use were writing. The next, my mother is a MA in English. So MA in English, generally M is there. M, A-E-I-O-U. When A-E-I-O-U are there, on that time we are using an. So instead of A, and we have to use it. The next one, each of them were robberies. Then instead of were, was, we have to use. Why? Because each of them, this is the singular form. The next, I wanted to sang. Sang is a past tense form. When we are using to, on that time we must have to use it in the verb form 1, present form of the verb, that is sing. Don't forget it. When we are using to, on that time either it is in the past tense or it is in the present tense or anyway. When you are using it in with the to plus V1 form. V1 it means present form. Next is, he is good in English. Generally while we are speaking, on that time we are using he is good in English, he is good in mathematics, or she is good in English, she is good in mathematics. But while we are thinking about the grammar, in that time in is an incorrect form for this particular sentence. So here at is a particular word for this sentence. So we are using at for the time, for the you know about that, for the places and all these things. Along with this, a particular verb is or a subject is there. On that time we are using at only, not in. I hope you understood this form of the different forms of the verbs or different form of the persons and all these things. So this is the error correction, and now we can think about the one more example. We can think about the one more example. So before starting to work, error and correction, either it is in the examination or you are doing it in as a homework, on that time you must have to read whole para. First you have to read, later you have to identify where is the error and how can I correct it. Example is here. Yesterday I go to market where I meet my friend Rani. Her hairs were beautiful. I wanted to talk with her mom, so she was with her mom. Everybody were looking at me. Suddenly I saw an old man and who wears a dhoti. So here I read clearly whole passage. Now we have to think about that. What is the error in the first sentence? The first sentence is, yesterday I go to market. Where? So yesterday it is in a past tense. So the verb form should be in the past form only, not in the present. Go is the present. What is the past form of the go? Go, then went. Here in this line you have to identify and to write go, and then correction. Here you have to write which word is the correct word. Go, went. I meet my friend Rani. So here the first sentence is in the past form. So you have to past tense. So you have to use this meet instead of this meet. You have to write here met. Meet, met, met. Meet is a present tense form, and then met is a past tense form. So here instead of meet you have to write met. Met is the correct word. Then hairs were beautiful. Her hairs were beautiful. So here hairs. Hairs is a singular form, not a plural form, children. So while we are using hairs on that time, we should have to use the singular form of the auxiliary. What it is? Instead of were, we have to use here was. Okay. So next is, I wanted to talk with her mom. I wanted is in the past tense form, but while we are using to with the verb on that time, the verb must be in a first form, present form. Talk only, not talked. Next is, everybody were looking at me. Everybody is a singular form, not a plural form. So we have to use this everybody. While we are using everybody, somebody, anybody on that term, we must have to use the singular form of the auxiliary, that is was. Was is the correct answer. Next, suddenly I saw a old man. O, E, I, O, U, vowel sound. So that we have to use instead of a, an. An is the correct answer. And who wears a dhoti? So here wears, it is a singular form itself. But the whole paragraph is in the past tense. So what we have to use? Instead of wears, we have to use wore. Wore is a past tense form of this wears. So while we are using or while we are identifying or detecting the error in the each sentence, we should have to think about that. First, the tip for this error and correction. First, you have to identify the paragraph is in which tense. The second, one by line, you have to identify the error. Either